Now I have to blow my cell activator on top of my other colors. When you blow, it's extremely important to make sure that your cell activator is spreading on the colors right underneath. The blow I just did was not good enough because you could see on my first blow my base coat is showing off. That means I blew it too hard. On the second one, however, you can see that gold is showing through my black cell activator. That means you cannot see any base coat underneath, and that blow was just perfect. So when you blow, you have to keep in mind how hard I am blowing or how soft I am blowing. You cannot blow it too hard. So if you do that, you will get your base coat out. Or if you blow it too soft, your cell activator might not blow all the way. At this point, I also am making sure that my composition is right and all sides of my pattern has equal amount of space left, because I am going to spin it, and when I spin, I don't want one side to be more expanded than the other side. Now is the time for my fun. At this point, I am going back and checking if I want to modify anywhere here and there a little more to create some extra interest. And it seems like I'm pretty much happy with what I have got so far. So this is my finished product. I hope you enjoyed my videos or enjoying my videos, the series I'm posting. And if you like what you see, please subscribe and like my videos.